Hey guys, so Hive app is going viral. So first of all, I'll just show you. So this is the app. It's called Hive Social. It's not Hive Smart Home app and it's not productivity. So just Hive Social. It's number 5 in social networking in United States, along with Facebook Messenger. It's higher than Clubhouse, which is also going viral right now. So that is the app. So why is it going viral? So it's basically, it looks like old Instagram. So I think a lot of people are switching from Instagram and Facebook apps for a lot of reasons. Also, people are concerned about their privacy. That's why they switched from WhatsApp to Telegram and Signal. And now I think, I don't know, like Instagram experience is really not the greatest right now. You can see a lot of ads and concerns about your data, your privacy, and all of that other stuff and issues. So people are just a bit nostalgic to that old Instagram app, and kind of Hive Social found that niche. And so that's the app, that's what it's about. So it just looks like old Instagram app, and you can just post photos, you can add your music to your profile, and a super simple interface and all of that. But because app is going viral right now, I can't really show you all the features because the servers are down. So that's the situation right now. So I'll just show you the app. You can create free account. It's not possible to do it with like Google or Apple or Facebook, obviously. So just old school with your email and password. But that is the app right now. So as you can see, the servers are down, but that's just your feed, similar to all Instagram. You can search for featured trending and browse different posts. You can create new posts. Tap post and it will be added. Add the picture there. You can add it, see your activity. Then there is your profile. So just change your profile picture. You see all the settings like edit profile. You can add your bio. You can add your songs. There are some song slots. I don't know what that is about. Then there is account settings. You can reserve your username. So if you think that this app will gonna go like big and viral in future, now is a good time to reserve your username here. And you can also create a private account if you don't want to have a public account. So here, just your music, blocked account. So everything's super simplistic, and that, I think, what people like about this app is just like it's super simple version of Instagram from like 2014 or something like that. That is about. If you want to message someone, just tap on this icon. You can tap on the new messages and then just find the user, and you will be able to message someone. You can go to specific account, I guess. Again, the servers are down and they want to restore it as soon as possible because the app is going viral. But that's about that. So try to create your account, reserve your username, and maybe it really becomes viral and stays in the top of the App Store. Thanks for watching. Visit mrhack.io for other hot apps and cool app reviews, and subscribe to this channel.